I get it. Motivation got you started, but discipline made you quit. Let's fix that. Welcome back to the Life Tools Podcast with me, HV Life Coach, where we talk about how to awaken, reset, and transform your mindset, habits, and life for more positive, ideal results. Oh man, I love blackberries. There's a habit you're probably inconsistent with right now. There's probably more than one. I'm gonna ask you to just do one thing, right? Take one of those habits that you're inconsistent with. Just one. Just one. How many? Just one. Solamente uno, right? And for the next 7 days, how many days? 7. 7 days. I want you to be consistent with that habit. That's it. You're like, oh, that's so hard to do. It might be. But guess what? So is staying the same. So is complacency. They're like, yo, working out is hard. Working out is expensive. Taking care of your health is expensive. You know what else is expensive? When you're in the hospital because you didn't take care of yourself. When you're in the hospital because you didn't take care of your nutrition. You're in the hospital because you didn't work out. But now you have aches and pains and it's hurt and you're just agonizing. I've seen that. Right? You know what's hard? Making money, getting rich. You know what else is hard? Not making money, being poor. Choose your hard. It's up to you. There's no excuses. Excuse me. This is so good. Let me put this on pause. Right? All right. So just choose a habit that you've been inconsistent with, that you want to improve on. And just for the next 7 days, just do it. Just get to it. And it's going to be very simple to do if you track it. Now you can go online and ask me for my habit tracker, right? DM below tracker, or message below. I'm sorry, DM. I'm used to Instagram. Message below tracker, or you could just find your own, or you can use an app on your phone, or you can go to your notes on your phone. Listen, you don't have to buy my stuff, but you have to actually do the work necessary to transform. And I'm giving you the information necessary to transform. Information will lead to transformation if you apply it. They say knowledge is power, but that's not true. It's only powerful when you apply it. So what good is all the knowledge in the world if you're not doing anything with it? Ideas are great. Knowledge is great. Knowing is great. Thoughts are great. But what builds and what lasts and what people see and recognize and actually honor is the action, the doing. And that's going to be something you develop in yourself as well. You're going to love yourself more. You're going to respect yourself more because you're going to develop self-discipline, self-control, and you're going to garner confidence in yourself because you're going to do the things you say you're going to do. And then you're going to be at a point where you're going to be like, I did what I said I would do. My mentor calls this crossing your finish lines. So the more you cross your finish lines, the more confidence you gain. You have to literally set a deadline, 7 days. Pick one habit and just do it for 7 days. Track it. Not so you can look at yourself and shame yourself when you don't do it, but you can see visibility. You can have more visibility, understand what you're doing and not doing, where your focus is going, where it's not going, right? We're all consistent. I hate when people say, I'm not consistent enough. Yes, you are. You're consistent in not doing the things you say you're going to do. I hate when people say, I'm not confident, but then they say that so confidently. Yes, you are. You're just not confident in what you want to be confident in. You have confidence. You have consistency. You just have to garner it or direct it or guide it in the way that you want it to. And that's the key. That's why we're going to write it down. Okay. And last but not least, this is the key component, the most important part of it all. You have to tie it back to your identity, right? You can't say, I'm going to work out every day and just say, I'm a lazy person. Guess what? Your identity won't allow you to go to the gym or pick up a weight at home or do a push-up right now. As a matter of fact, if you feel like you need to work out more, stop this video, do a push-up right now. If you feel like you need to read more and become better and more intelligent, articulate, stop reading, stop watching this video and read a book right now. Just one page. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. That's all it really takes. It's just for you to say you're going to do something and then actually do it. Let's make it easy for you. Say every day I'm going to blink my eyes. That sounds ridiculous, right? But you're building a system in your mind and your body and your soul that says when I say I'm going to do something and I do it, you're building that connection. You're separating it, right? So I need you to understand that the closer you get from your thoughts to the action of it actually being accomplished, the less time it takes the more successful you become, the more confident you become, the more strong-willed you become. You want to add something else in there? Your identity will shift what you actually allow yourself to do or not do. Your tracking yourself will hold you accountable to what you say you're going to do and what you're not going to do. And then identifying what you need to improve is key, because if you're not reflecting on your life to see how you're going to grow, who's doing that for you? When you were a kid, you probably had a parent. If you didn't have a parent, you maybe had a guardian. If you didn't have a guardian, there was somebody, maybe, if there was a caretaker, watching you. And they were telling you, you can't do this or you can't do that. A lot of the times, we feel like there's somebody in our life who's going to tell us what to do and not to do as when we're older. And that's not the case. No one's going to make you live the life you want to live other than you. No one's going to be like, hey, Jamal, hey, Johnny, hey, Catherine, you're not doing enough. No one. It's up to you. It's a battle of you versus you, your old self versus your new self. And I promise you, these are the dudes that's going to help you. So get that notebook out, get that pen and paper out, start tracking your habits, write down what you need to do, and write down your identity. I'm the type of person who X, Y, and Z. I'm the type of person who stays fit. I'm the type of person who takes care of myself. I'm the type of person who loves to live life. I'm the type of person who enjoys every moment, no matter what's going on. I'm the type of person who learns from my pain and suffering. I'm the type of person who learns from my joy and pleasures. Everything's a lesson. Why suffer? That's just how I think. So I'm the type of person who likes to bring new ideas into the world and birth them and help people to solve problems. I'm the type of person who likes to work out with my friends and family, but also by myself. I'm the type of person who likes to go on adventures, right? So these type of things, when I say these things, what does that mean when it comes down to my actions, when it comes down to my habits? How am I going to follow through with them? How are you going to follow through with your habits, your actions, and your identity? They all need to be aligned. They all need to connect. They need to be cohesive. Because if they're not, that's when you feel out of pocket. That's when you feel out of line. And that's when you feel like your life is not matching up to what you want it to be. Okay? Do you want the life you want? If you do, here's the tools. Get that pen and paper, identify what you need to do, and get to it. You got this. If you like this video, comment down below. Tell me why. What's your favorite part? If you like this enough to share with other people, please do so. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. As always, stay blessed and stay beautiful. I'm H, the Life Coach. Peace.